How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2017 Kia Sedona, and it won't start. That's it. It won't start. We're gonna change the starter. So let's do this. Negative 10 millimeter. Make sure the e-brake's on. Check it out. Alright, good. This one down. Go under here. Flashlight. Ooh, oh, it's right there. Not too bad. One up back there. Here we go. We need this one. Yeah, got it. It's freaking hot in Vegas. Alright, good. Easy. Drop it up there. Down here. Oop. Squeeze that. Push it up. Out. Just like that. 14. Here, this is 14. Lefty loosey. Down. Oh, right here. This one right here. I could do it. Oh yeah, I think I could do it. Oh, dang, that's hard. Put this one on the extension. Put it in. Ooh. Nope. Nope. Oh, this one. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. So that's it right there. Pull down really hard. Ooh, that's hard. Okay, I got it. I got it. Oops. Alright, it released. Just like that there, I think. Here we go. Okay, this is it. My back. This one out. Good. And this right here. Size 12. Ooh, and then take that out. Pretty much out. Here we go. Original. It right here. Okay. Take this one out. Okay, let's put it in. Just reverse order. Oh, like this. Ooh, reach over. That's a jiu-jitsu move right there. Tighten it up. Good. is on. Put this one on. This. There you go. Put that in. Like that. Whew. The top one. Bottom one. It's good. Alright, everything good. Okay, drop it down. Let's go. Alright, 229,000 miles. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace everybody.